Hi there, today, I'll walk you through using the Templater application. After installing the application, you can launch it in two simple ways. Firstly, you can access it from the Google App Launcher menu, located in the top right corner of Gmail and Google Drive. Alternatively, you can go directly to our website at thetemplater.com. Once the installation is complete, you should see this screen upon launching the app. If it doesn't load correctly, please refer to our installation video for guidance. Before we dive in, let me guide you on setting up your template for use with the application. Simply place any text you wish to replace inside double curly braces. The templater will scan for these placeholders, prompt you for input in a text box, and then replace all instances with the provided input. The final document will maintain the original template design and formatting. Now, let's put it into action. I'll quickly fill in some random details for demonstration purposes and generate a document. And there we have it. Our document is successfully generated, with template variables replaced by our input text. If you encounter any issues or need assistance with setting up the application or creating templates, feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.